Hi guys. Yeah, like in the title, I nearly did it. So I was trying to. So last week, um, what I was gonna do? Can't remember what I was doing. Oh yeah. So in the so in the last video, I was telling you about the parts I got and so on, and the plan that I'm gonna change uh, the lights on the roof rack. And I also said that it started drizzling, and I don't want to do it in the rain. So what I did instead is because I did found a leak in a couple of spots in underneath, so I went underneath just to have a look where the leak is coming from. So I found a leak from power steering pump, and I also found a leak from, thanks to the lads on the forum, they said that the leak is coming out of the rocker cover gasket. Right. That's wouldn't be the first time. I've seen it before. I actually did own a Mini years ago, and it had the same issue. It just was so no problem replacing it. The issue I'm having is I've changed the oil on that car about three weeks ago. I think maybe 4 weeks ago, and I might have done now. I am using it every day ever since. So I probably did maybe 1,500, 2,000 kilometers, give or take. And I'm not gonna lie, this is not something that I would do regularly. I wouldn't I wouldn't check the oil level after 2,000 kilometers. But in this particular case, something told me, do you know what? You might as well do it. And wait till you see this. Now the car is sitting flat. There's pretty much no oil in the engine. Yeah. Right, so that got me thinking, what the fuck is happening? Because, no, I'm not a mechanic, okay? But there is a little bit of common sense inside me. And in my opinion, in my head, if the car would burn oil, first of all, you would smell it. Second of all, you would see it. Neither of this is happening. The car does not throw a smoke. Obviously, if you accelerate it hard, it will throw black smoke. So then I'm thinking, where the fuck is all this oil? And I still don't know where it is. It must have lose what it would be 3.5 liters of oil. Yeah, it would have lose 3.5 liters of oil in the last month. Is that possible? Would you do me a favor, if you are a Discovery owner and you are watching this video, could you maybe put a comment down, and because I'm seriously confused. Now I am a member of Strictly Disco Facebook page. There is 127,000 users, so I did post a question because I did found that leak from. So one of the lads said it's pressure regulator for fuel line. but I'm not. I don't have. I don't have issues with fuel. It's not misfiring. It's not fuel that I found. It's not leak from fuel that I found. It is oil. So I don't know. I also obviously read all the comments, and if you are also a member and you did commented on it, thank you so much, because it kind of, I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit stressed out that Jesus, what the hell is happening? So I did order a full set of new rocker cover gaskets, and there's also this injector line distributor. So on all our parts, LR parts, they have an upgraded version of geez, I can't remember what's the name of it, but it's pretty much the wiring for the injector distributors. So I got that, and hopefully I will get it within the next couple of days, and I'll be able to fit it. But if it wasn't that I actually, something told me, yeah, lift the bonnet, have a look at it, I would have fucking cooked that engine big time. Big time. That would be it. The engine would have been gone, and that will create a serious issue, because, well, I was not prepared to change engine. That engine has only 94,000 miles. So I don't know, man. Just lads, just check your engine oil, I suppose, because fuck me, that was close. Anyway, I thought I'm gonna share this with you. Jesus, that was stressful. Anyway, guys, enjoy the watch. Okay. I think it is leaking from here. So I believe it's coming out of here. That's that wiring loom I was talking about. It's for the injectors. So it's coming out of here, and it's finding its way out onto the wires, and it looks like if it's leaking from the back of the engine, but it's actually dripping from here, and it's going all the way on the back and then just down. Look, we'll get the loom in and we will see. Right, guys, be honest with you, I wasn't expecting to spend Tuesday like this, but after the last bit of a panic station, I decided that as soon as I'm gonna get the parts, I will go straight to it. Now I did got the parts again, LR Auto Parts. I ordered the parts on Saturday. They've confirmed they have the order on Monday. It's Tuesday today. I have them here, basically. So again, 100% great job. I did got the now I did post about it on Strictly Discos, about the issue that I've seen, and a lot of guys over there said that, oh, it could be the pressure regulator, or they were saying something else as well. Now lads, this is not a fuel leak, it's an oil leak. So a lot of you also, whoever is watching from that forum, a lot of you mentioned that, oh, it's probably the rocker cover. So yes, I did went down that route. So I did got a replacement rocker cover. I also got, not sure what that is, but it was in a set. So it looks like, yeah, I don't know, we'll figure this one out. And there's also in the kit there was an injector harness. I've heard that they are notorious for leaking. So LR Auto Parts, they actually have a updated version, a kit for those engines where the harness, apparently it's leaking from here quite regularly. So apparently the new harness is upgraded, so it's not it's preventive. It's prevented from. It's preventing from leaking. So anyway, also in the kit you have the new. They look like a washers. Yeah, they must be. Yeah, so washers. As well as on top of that, while I was at it, I got seals for drive shafts for front and the rear one. I did notice they're not leaking yet. But I did see that there's a bit of they're a bit moist, as we say, a little bit moist around the center column. So I wonder, whenever I have chance, probably not gonna happen for a little while, but it's handy to have them. Whenever I have a chance to do it, I will replace the seals on the drive shaft. So without further ado, I am getting into it because it is 6 o'clock. So normal people will start watching telly. I'm gonna start stripping the head. Not stripping the head. I'm gonna start stripping the seal on my Discovery. So enjoy your watch. Okay, so the cover is off. And I can tell you now that I think I know why it started leaking. It doesn't feel like a rubber anymore. Oh. It's rubbery, but it's very stiff. So it's more like a plastic. So no surprises here. Now, by saying it, I want to believe that that's what really the problem is. At least I know what are those washers for. Okay, I'm going into the bin. Take these out. This one. And on that note, guys, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. and I will see you on the next episode.